This 2015 Winnebago Vista 30T is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 30 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 7, stove top burner, carbon monoxide detector, awning, smoke detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, water heater, TV, Slideout, Skylight, and 78 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2015 Winnebago Vista 30T is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton V10 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.